Let me tell you about a rental property owner I know named Jason. He owns a rental property in Vista, and like a lot of landlords managing their own properties, he was trying to juggle everything himself. One day his tenant let him know that there was a small leak under the bathroom sink, and Jason meant to take care of it. He really did, but he was busy, and honestly, a little drip just didn't seem like that big of a deal at the time. So you fast forward a few weeks, the leak got worse, it wrecked the cabinet, it damaged the drywall, and then of course mold started to show up. So by the time Jason finally got a plumber out there, he wasn't just fixing a $100 faucet. Now he was looking at over $5,000 in repairs, mold remediation, and just damage control. And here's the kicker. His tenant, who had been really patient at first, got frustrated with the slow response and decided not to renew their lease. So now Jason had an expensive repair bill and a vacant property. So this happens more than you think. Small maintenance issues turn into big problems when they're not handled fast. So at Raintree Property Management, we jump on maintenance issues right away. We use licensed vendors, we keep tenants happy, and we protect your investment. So if you own a rental property in Carlsbad, Encinitas, Vista, Oceanside, or anywhere in North County, San Diego, and you'd like some help with maintenance, give us a call. We'd love to help you. And if you would like a free rental analysis, just click the link below and we will send you an analysis of what your property should rent for. Thanks.